Hi guys, I'm Spot and good afternoon. Ching 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 ching. So today guys, gusto ko lang i-introduce sa inyo yung pinakauna kong camera na ginamit ko or binili ko or pinag-investan ko nung una pa bago ko nakuha yung Sony a6400 na camera ko at saka yung DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So I just want you to introduce this setup. This one. So this is my first camera setup nung beginner pa ako. Like nung pinakauna ko talaga, like gustong-gusto ko na talaga maging photographer or something like maging hobby yung pagiging photographer. So this is me, my beginner era. So, yan guys. Ito yung pinakaunang camera ko. Hindi siya ganun ka-budget friendly, but I think this is very, very worth it up until now, and I think I can still use this, but I rarely use this kasi mahirap siya, madaming lens, at saka may limitation siya kung ganun pa. Kasi pag sinabi mong mobile photography camera, may limitation talaga siya kesa sa pag ginamit mo yung camera talaga, mirrorless camera, LR camera, ganun na type. Masasabi mo talaga na mas, mas nagdo-dominate yung camera mo pag mas malawak yung pwede niyang i-upgrade. Like, if you buy a DSL camera, bili ka ng bagong lens for this one. If you want to be a photographer, buy this. And then, if you want to be a cinematic videographer, then you have to buy this lens. At saka, yung body is still the same, but it's nila, depende din yan sa camera na bibilhin mo. But anything above that, basta nandun lang yung body ng camera mo, you can still buy decent lens kung saan mo talaga or ano talaga yung genre mo. So, ito, ginamit ko siya as photography, tsaka slightly in video kasi may limitation talaga. At saka yung quality ng camera, I am using a iPhone 14 Pro. So, yung camera niya, hindi ganun ka-enhance talaga. At saka, yung mga lens niya is, if you want to upgrade, dapat iisa lang yung bibilhan mo ng like yung brand niya. So for this one, what I am using is this brand called Freewell Gear. So may package siya or yung bag niya for the lenses. So ito from Freewell. So Freewell siya. At saka makikita mo dito, if you open this up, may mga slot siya. First, may lens talaga, yung mga malalaki, at saka yung lens alone. Ito, pwede dito is yung anamorphic natin, dalawang anamorphic, at saka wide lens, at saka ultra wide lens na ginagamit natin for like camera na for diinan talaga na capture kasi yung phone natin hindi kaya picture ng very close up kasi blurry lang talaga siya. Yun. So, first, I want to introduce to you this first lens na gusto ko talaga na pag ginamit ko tong phone na to, pagkukuha ng video or photography is the anamorphic lens. But in Freewell, may dalawa siyang type na anamorphic lens. Yung anamorphic lens is parang kinocompress niya yung photo para to have that very wide or parang panoramic scene. Pwede mong makuha by capturing a video na gusto mo talaga na almost everything makita mo. So, not everything. First is that we have this anamorphic lens 1.33, may 1.55, yun ang pinaka-wide na anamorphic lens na apakahaba talaga makita ng apakahaba na makikita mo sa video mo. Like, mahaba talaga siya. For this one, I have this anamorphic lens. This has two types of color, which is yung gold. This one, gold. So, may gold. At saka, may blue. So, ano bang pinagkaibahan nito? So, if you talk about anamorphic lens, it is a lens that has a flare. Mas ma-appreciate nyo siya pag ginamit mo siya sa gabi with lots of lights surrounding with the subject. Kasi makikita mo yung flare niya, it's either gold or it's either blue. Ini-enhance niya, like makikita mo yung parang nag-flare, like pag ako yung subject and I have lots of lights going on sa likod ko, nag-flare siya like dito, like sa screen, pa vertical. So, ito yung kinagandahan ng anamorphic lens. At saka, if you use this wisely using black magic, makikita mo yung like ma-appreciate mo talaga yung beauty ng anamorphic lens. If you want to have that flary, misty look, you'll have to combine this misty, paano ba yan? Dito sa anamorphic lens mo. So, ginaganyan nilang, like, since meron to siyang lens dito, ito, like UV lens, para hindi masira talaga yung lens sa looban. All you have to do is change this one, at saka ilagay mo dito. So, yun. At saka may 75mm long micro-range macro na lens, which is pinaka-zoom in nga lens that we have para makuha natin tong ganito na kuha, which is hindi talaga natin nakukuha. Even though gumamit ka ng DSL camera or mirrorless camera, without buying those macro lens na makikita natin sa mga online store. Ayun, first we have the anamorphic lens, gold, blue, 75mm long range macro, at saka itong wide angle 18mm na lens natin, which is makikita natin dito sa camera natin na ginagamit na Sony a6400. And aside from that, what we have is the interchangeable lens. So, I have this ND16, and then ND8, at saka ND64, and Mist 1/4. So, ayun. And lastly, ito yung pinaka-gusto ko. Ito yung nagko-control ng exposure natin pag sobrang expose yung settings natin. Lalong-lalo na if you want to capture an outdoor video na sobrang mainit. So, this is a circular polarizing filter, which means na ganun nga, ipopolarize niya at saka i-balance niya yung exposure. So, it has 5 stop on this. So, as you can see, pag ganito, so, wait. Let's see. I don't know if you can see it, but yung hand ko is nagda-dark and then becomes lighter. Okay, so, ayun, ito yung pinaka gusto ko sa lahat kasi lalong-lalo na pag ginagamit ko siya, yung phone ko sa labas to capture a scene, lalong-lalo na sunny day, ito yung ginagamit. So, the other accessories that I have here is the phone case, at saka ito yung pinaka gusto ko feeling ko talaga nung pinakauna ko siyang ginamit, parang may camera talaga ako. Kasi I have this button here, which I can press, at saka, alam mo yun, press, para kang gumagamit talaga ng camera talaga, like mirrorless camera. At saka, because it is a Bluetooth connection na siya. So, ayun. So, yun. Tsaka, it is heavy and I can feel it talaga, which is I like the most. At saka, next is this Boya mic while recording this video. So, ayun. I like it. I like the setup. And of course, hindi naman mabubuo talaga yung setup mo without a gimbal. So, what I am using is the Cohem iSteady M6, which is apakaganda, but it is only can be used in a mobile phone, which is very sad because I have the Sony A6400 now, which syempre naman, if you say camera, it's not that steady when using it in if you are moving, you cannot use it. And overall, I am very, very happy with this purchase kasi alam mo naman, if you are, I think everyone nag-start talaga sa phone. If you get motivated, tsaka if you get, inspired by the others na kumukuha ng mga scene, kumukuha ng magagandang shots using their mobiles, you can really tell and you can really say na phone lang, okay pala na dun ka muna mag-start kung anong meron sa'yo. So, ayun. So, I started from using my phone since I bought the iPhone 14 Pro kasi sira na yung pangatlong phone ko, which is the Vivo. So, ayun. I have the iPhone 14 Pro, so I was thinking na why not buy some accessories na magiging happy ako without buying a camera like Sony A64 because mahirap para sa akin bumili ng camera kasi hindi ko pa afford nun kasi I have lots of priorities at that moment. So bumili ako nito. I bought it from Freewell online and so decided to buy these accessories and then slowly but surely upgraded into something new naman. So ayun, but as of the moment, these lenses that I have here is hindi ko nagagamit. I am planning to sell this out or trade this with the maybe DJI Action 5 Pro if somebody wanted to trade this. But cost mo talaga. So if you want to trade your DJI Action 5 Pro with these awesome filters or lens, comment lang at saka or reach out to me because in good condition pa talaga and without any scratches. So all I can say is I love these lenses but if hindi ko naman siya magagamit, I have to let this go. I might use this for some time before letting this go, but I am really planning to trade this one to something new camera kasi I need a camera for have multiple angle shots. So if you know what I mean, you know. So I guess that's all. So I think this is all I can tell about this lens because if you use this, you will really, really fall in love deeply to photography, videography while using your phone. So I am using the iPhone 14 Pro. These will only be compatible to an iPhone 14 Pro. Okay, guys. But as of the moment, meron din silang Freewell has lens compatible for iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. So ayun, I hope you guys like this. If you love this video and you want to see more, follow. And on my YouTube account, please subscribe, hit the like button, and pa-on naman ang notification. So that is all, guys. See you on the next one. Peace.